Hello guys, welcome back to Rains Academy. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on the IES profile setup in Blender software. What is an IES profile? IES profiles are simple file formats which define the light's distribution in the space. It generally allows us to control it allows us to create the light patterns and the light fall-offs, especially in the point lights and spotlights in rendering programs. So the setup is quite simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a point light first. I delete that point light and then create a point light here. Press Shift A and then go to the lights and then create a point light. And you should be able to see we got a point light here. And I'm placing this point light very close to the wall. Once that is done, bring your shader editor below and then enable the use nodes option, and you got the emission here. So emission is basically where you can control the color and the strength of the light here. So I press Shift A and then go to the texture and then choose IES texture, which is Illuminating Engineering Society. It's a full form of that. So once that is done, you got two options. One is internal and another one is external. Internal is the IES profile, which is included inside the script of the Blender file, then it refers from there. However, we prefer to go with the external and then we can able to browse from here. So you can download these IES profiles from internet. It is .ies extension. So you can select any of the files which you have with you, which should be .ies, then accept it and then just connect that to the color. And then you should be able to see now the intensity is way too much. I reduce it completely down and you should see the light streaks, which generally occurs when you have realistic light sources. Okay. So you can change the other lights also here, like you got star shape, and you see this kind of pattern, especially in the architectural lights in interiors. So you got different types of lights which you can choose from the list here. And you have the color which is pretty much white, but if you want anything to be more realistic in terms of light sources are concerned, the color, for that you just add a node. I'm pressing Shift A and then I'm going to choose here in the search and then type black body. So what is black body? I just connect that black body to the color and you should be able to see it gives the color based on the temperature value you have given. So here we got the orange with the 1500 temperature, 6500 it gives a white light, and 10,000 it gives the blue light, which are basically realistic lights color temperature. So these two nodes will be added together. So we'll do that. For that I press Shift A and then choose a node called mix color node and then connect these two textures here. So we have the mix node here. In this we got input A and input B, and also we got the blending operations. We can choose any one from this. So what I'm going to do is select the factor of the IES profile, connect it to the A, and then black body connected to the B, and the temperature I'll set back to 1500, which is the warm color. Now what I'm going to do is select the result node and connect it to the color node, and then you got two different colors which is showing that black body's result and the IES result on top of each other, but I don't want that. So I'm going to change my blending mode to multiply, and you should be able to see the colors are warm right now. You can play with the factor, which it's like the opacity factor of A on top of B. If I just reduce that, you only see the IES profile and you don't see the black body's influence. So as I keep adding this factor, you should be able to see the black body's influence over the IES texture is keeping on adding. So you can explore different types of IES profiles which you have with you, and you get that nice dramatic look and feel in your scenes. If you got any questions about this video, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.